Ruto amenituma na shilingi 500,000.
Andũ acio angĩ moka haha onao ũkareka maria magatũhe kĩndũ twagũtũhe rũgano he matũhire rũgano magacoka magathiĩ
na kanitha wa Kũrinũ nĩ atĩ nĩ mũcemanio twabangĩte mĩeri mĩingĩ.
Ithe wa Wairimũ ici nĩ thaa cigana ũrĩa gwakwa nyũmba na gũtirĩ ũndũ ũreka mũkagwa wa thimũ wamwĩra wĩ
ũgĩcira ũrĩa wothe kũrĩ yakwa nĩ yaku nĩ sasa ũrĩa iseneta kogĩrũhĩrũ wega ũyũ tukaga nĩ mũndũ wa bata ũyũ nĩ atũhonokeirie mũndũ gwĩtwo Njerũ ũyũ arũgamĩte ũguo mũcemanio-inĩ president hau akĩgwetwo kiugo ciringi milioni 2 cikĩoneka na agĩtũrehera na cikiugo kiugo aigire nake Ngai agũtũra kũririkanĩte nĩ ndwake na Njerũ sawa arũgama Njerũ kogĩa kuona ũguo arakena rĩu thiĩ president wĩra ũrĩa arutire nĩrĩroneka rĩu na maũndũ nĩ mega. Karibu sana
Karango na family yaku yothe andũ mokĩte kanitha wa Macakaya tungatĩri yothe na Kũrinũ marĩ yothe akumia Jesũ na roho mũkũri witũ kumia Jesũ na roho mũkũri witũ toketa Macakaya na family ya Karango. Karango is our great brother na mũrata witũ nĩkĩo gĩtũmĩte tũke ũmũthĩ na ithuĩ andũ arĩa tũkoragwo tũgĩ-support president nĩ twĩkũhũthĩra mĩeke ũrĩa ĩrĩ tũtihũraga siasa thĩinĩ wa maomborezi kana hĩndĩ ya mathiko nĩ tũĩ kũrĩa andũ marĩ na tũthiaga kũmahoya kura koguo tũkĩte ũmũthĩ nĩ tondũ wa gũcakaya na kwĩra Karango asante sana nĩ gũkorwo ĩna mũrũgamo na tũtikanaga arata aitũ koguo Karango ũguo ũrũgamĩte na mũrũgamo ũcio nĩkĩo twĩ haha na nĩ tũtũkĩte kũhĩtũkĩra ofici ya Mheshimiwa Dennis Itumbi head of creative and presidential project haha but before ndĩmũnengere mweke ũyũ hena arata me haha a Karango na makoragwo ofici ya mũndũ gwĩtwo Itumbi. Just want to recognize them rũgamai harĩa mũrĩ na tũhũthĩre mweke ũyũ na ihenya. Very good. Ũcio wĩ haha etagwo Riz na Riz no wakũrĩa gĩcagi gwa Karango kũrĩa Kamacharia kĩrĩa-inĩ. Ũcio ũngĩ nake etagwo Karo Asha nake no heanaga airĩtu aya mũrona gũkũ athaka thĩinĩ wa magongona. Ũcio nake etagwo Wambui wa Gĩthũrai nake no wa gũkũ gwitũ Rũirũ mũrata witũ mũno and on behalf oka mũrigo nĩgetha ũgeithanie na ũreane pole garatete mũnene witũ.
Thank you very much Senator wa Kiambu Senator Kogi na wariganĩrwo nĩ mũndũ ũgwĩtwo Mũndia salimiana kutoka Nyandarua na wariganĩrwo nĩ mũndũ ũgwĩtwo Drew kutoka kwa ofisi yetu na pia Shio Kamũrang'a nĩ ũngĩina tiga gũkoragwo nĩ kwa maũndũ ma gũthiĩ ithũmĩno andũ aitũ ndamũgeithia mũrega rĩngĩ rĩtwa njĩtagwo Mũrigo kuma ofisi ya president nĩrĩo tũgũkĩte gũ-support Karango tondũ nĩ ũmwe witũ nĩ mũndũ akoretwo agĩtũ-support mũndũ tũkoretwo tũkĩrutanĩria nake wĩra na nĩ mũndũ wa bata. Rĩrĩa andũ marahũra Karango makĩmwĩra atĩ tũrabangire mũcemanio na mũthenya ũmwe Karango no amwĩre for a fact na atungatĩri ame a kanitha wa Kũrinũ nĩ atĩ nĩ mũcemanio twabangĩte mĩeri mĩingĩ na mũcemanio ũcio rĩrĩa twacokire tũkĩwĩka nĩrĩo twacokire tũkĩigua tũkĩhũrwo nĩ mũndũ akiuga atĩ twabanga mũcemanio na rũcinĩ nĩgetha tũkaute maũndũ arĩa akoretwo agĩka. Nĩ atĩ Karango akoretwo agĩtũ-support na tũkoretwo tũkĩrutanĩria wĩra nake nĩ tũgũthiĩ na mbere na kũrutanĩria wĩra nawe Karango. Pole sana to you and your family, we are together nĩ tũgũthiĩ na mbere na gũgũ-support. God bless you and keep you. Thank you Senator.
Thank you. Tũrĩ o hau nĩ ngwenda kũheana gastory ga mũndũ wĩtagwo Shiko gaka ka Mũrang'a. Shiro nyendete ndiye Shiko rĩra umako kĩrĩtu gaka konirwo platform-inĩ ya Karango gakĩoywo nĩ Mheshimiwa Itumbi gakoragwo hau na tigane Karango gatingĩonekire gageretie maũndũ maingĩ gagathiĩ gwĩka live performance Mheshimiwa agĩkona gathiĩte wega na tondũ ge gũkũ na gĩtĩo gĩkĩ gutia gĩbungo kĩmwe kĩa rwĩmbo rũu.
Rwĩmbo rũu nĩ rwatũmire gũthiĩ kaũndũ karĩ ho no hakwa ndĩ innocent. Ithe wa Wairimũ ici nĩ thaa cigana ũrĩa gwakwa nyũmba na gũtirĩ ũndũ ũreka mũkagwa wa thimũ wamwĩra wĩ meeting nĩ mũcemanio ũrĩkũ twĩnaguo ithuĩ rĩ niĩ ndĩnjuia nja ndigĩtuĩka mũkaguo na ndingĩtuĩka nyina wa twana tũu twaku inũkĩra mũkaguo na tũmahũa twaku ni maicaine tura ria wacuhia. Thank you sana. Karago no athikire wega muno na nigucokagiria ngatho na ningwendete muno na pole sana ni undu wa family yaku yaromunengera hinya ihinda rĩrĩ riritũ. Asante.
Very good. Hora shibo shiro. Ndiboro ndoga akoragwo akera andu maikare hiko-ini matekuma nja ya kĩhiko. Na rĩu nĩ wega tondũ rĩu nani ndĩna mĩaka 3 itaumĩte nja ya kĩhiko. Rĩu rĩu ndĩrenda nĩgetha na gĩtĩo gĩkĩ ithuĩ tũgũikĩrĩria mheshimiwa itumbĩ kĩrĩa enakĩo na support ya president nĩtũkĩte tũgũcoka tũmũikĩrĩrie na arata aitũ nĩgetha ndeto ĩyo na mũbĩa andũ acio angĩ moka haha onao ũkareka maria magatũhe kĩndũ tũgũtũhe rũgano he matũhire rũgano magacoka magathiĩ magacoka magatũruma matekũruta kĩndũ. Rĩu na gĩtĩo gĩkĩ, ladies and gentlemen, ĩtĩkĩrai tũrũgame na igũrũ to welcome the head of creative na presidential project Mheshimiwa Dennis Itumbi. Tumpigie makofi.
Asante, tunaweza keti. Asante sana Senator. Murega nigethania Ngai ni mwega na hĩndĩ ciothe. Nĩ ngetwo Dennis Itumbi na njugaga itumbĩ rĩu nĩ itumbĩ rĩa ngũkũ. Karago tumekuja kusema pole. Familia ya ndugu yetu Paul tumekuja kusema pole. Wakati mwingi wakati tunakuja katika mambo ya mazishi tunajikumbusha kwamba ni safari ambayo sisi wote tutatembea. Na nashukuru sana Bishop. That is a very powerful sermon umetupatia leo. Umetukumbusha mambo ni matatu. Na hata yangu itakuwa tu matatu. Ya kwanza nimefanya ya kusema pole na kuambia familia kwamba ile yoyote ambayo mngetaka tufanye tutakuwa pamoja na nyinyi. Na katika ile kujitayarisha kufanya mambo pale nyumbani Nyeri, najua iko maneno ambayo itakuwa pale ya kutayarisha watu wapate chakula siku ya mazishi. Kwa hivyo utamuona huyu ndugu yangu Bwana Karago, utatafutana na huyu ndugu wangu anaitwa Murigo. Mimi na ofisi yangu ambao wamesimama hapa tutakupatia 10 bags of rice na 10 bags of beans na ile nyingine watu ungetaka hapo ya chakula. Uonane na yeye tupangane kesho uweze ukapata uanze kupanga mambo ya mazishi. Nasikia ni Wednesday. Tupange hapo. Hiyo ni ya pili. Ya tatu, Karago do not worry. I will make goro ya kanama tiwa jana tie haha. But do not worry. Our TV ni okay. Do not worry. Hii mambo ya kuambiwa kwamba ukifika mahali sisi wote tutatoroka, sijui ni nani hao watatoroka. Sisi tutakuwa hapo na tutakaa mpaka umalize mambo yako. Do not be threatened by people without a vision and ideas. Stand firm and focus. And I like what the guy from that other party, sijui kama siko sure ni party gani, that's why I don't want to mention kwa sababu sikusikia, lakini nisikia ni chama ingine ile ambayo ni hiyo ingine. So amesema kwamba he has apologized. So we want to believe that apology is a true apology and that they have reversed what they had said earlier. But wewe ukiwa kiongozi, wachana na hao waimbaji, wachana na watu ambao wako na talanta tofauti. The best you can do is support them. I worked with that gentleman when he was deputy president. And let me tell you, unajua watu wakiamua kuongea, mimi nakwanga nimenyamaza, but it's also time for me to speak. And I will speak today. I worked with him when he was deputy president. And that time ndio kulikuwa na mambo kadhaa ya watu waimbaji wetu kufanya zile concert, ndio tunakuja tunawasupport. I went for money from him specifically when there were about 2 or 3 concerts which I attended personally. I will not mention which ones. I will have another opportunity, not in a funeral, to say which ones. But I went to him 3 times and he never gave me a single coin. He told me, hawa waimbaji, na mnisamee, maybe I'm just quoting what I was told. Mbwa hawa waimbaji ni kama malaya. Wakati wa uchaguzi tutakuja kwa watu walipe, wakuje waimbe na tuwalipe. When we want them, we'll pay them. So I am not very surprised when he takes the microphone and says, let us walk out of these artists. But I assure you, kama mtu ambaye anasimamia waimbaji Kenya mzima, I will stand with you. Whether or not, and I don't care whether you vote for the person I want you to vote for or not, but because of your talent, I will stand with you. I stood with you when I was kicked out of government from Uhuru Kenyatta's side when I used to work with him. I stood with you even when you did not support this government. I will stand with you now, even if you decide to support us or not, because my purpose is to support your talent. Wacha niachane na mambo ya siasa hapo. Hiyo ingine tutaongea hapo nje. But you have our support and the president's support to do what you must do. And we will sing your songs in our houses. Na by the way niwaambie wale tumepublish kwa Kenya Gazette last week tariffs ya ile wanalipa. Kama DJ wanalipa ile pesa ambayo watalipa ndio wacheze nyimbo. Even you political parties, whether you are UDA or any other party, you must pay money for musicians to get money to be able to feed their families. So we are coming for you. Don't get caught during political rallies, you're out to and you don't want to pay money for them to be able to protest. Let me go back to my brother Paul. I understand we lost him in a road accident, and it's good that the bishop has prayed for us not to have these problems on the road. And we pray for the family that as you continue with the plans and visions that he had, that you may continue being with him. Karango, as a person, as Dennis Itumbi, unajua hasa nikiongea hapa, people don't know the difference of Dennis Itumbi and government. But as Dennis Itumbi, nataka umtafutie one person ambaye ametoka directly kwa hii familia. I will give them a job for the next 1 year. Wakijipanga kutafuta pale na nini. And like Senator said, please Mufea, next time watu wakishika microphone hapa, kama wanataka kutuongelesha siasa, waongea siasa, na vile umefanya sisi tukiongea tunatoa, hata wakiongea wanatoa. It is only fair to do that because there are many people who speak too much, too loudly, but wakikuja hii mambo ya kusupport hawako, wanataka tu kushika hii microphone. Na hii microphone inalipwa, hii hall inalipwa. I mean hata hii maji tumepewa hapa inalipwa. Let people learn that if you want to use this microphone, at least also participate in what people are doing. Tukuja hapa kuongea, tulikuja hapa kusupport. Na kwa sababu tukuja hapa kuongea, nimetumwa hapa na majority leader Kimani Ichung'wah na 100,000 shillings. 100,000 shillings. Tupigie Kimani Ichung'wah makofi.
Toa kwa siku ya Kimani Ichung'wah wewe wega shilingi 1,000 katika maneno.
And Bishop, I want an invite to your church. You've preached too well. Mimi nataka kuja ni participate kwa kanisa. Sasa tafuta siku ndio nikuje na hao watu wote kutoka kwa ofisi yangu, tukuje tushiriki na wewe na tukusaidie project moja mbili katika hiyo kanisa. Sawa. Sasa hiyo utaonana na huyu mkubwa, upange tukuje tupange na mimi nitakuja. Nimetumwa pia na rafiki yako, na kabla sijatangaza yake pia we have been informed about a Bishop Stanley Gishuru who also left us. Kwa hivyo sitaki kupatia hiyo jukumu kakangu kwa sababu ya hii mambo, lakini nene ameenda ya Peter tafadhali panga ndio twende pia tushikilie hiyo familia hii wiki kabla waende mazishi, manake we have a responsibility to hold people who also hold us, so we will also go there. President William Ruto amenituma na shilingi 500,000 and he has I also went to see him off at the airport. I'm going to Italy, and he has sent me with a personal message to tell you pole sana and to tell your family that he is going to stand with you the way you have stood with him, because friends are about standing each other. That is his personal message as given.
Shilingi 500 kuma kwa our president. Tohorera ile president witorohero wega. Asante.
Sawa. Mimi nashukuru sana and thank you for being our friends, and we assure you, usiangalie tu Karango ama uangalia watu wengine wote ambao wasije on this side, even you as a person, wherever you are and you feel there is something that we should support you with, nitafute. Huyu kijana ambaye amesimama hapa anaitwa Morigo, tafutana na yeye, pana namba yake, my office is open, come and talk, share your ideas and I will support you where I can. God bless you and keep you. Liz pia
Liz naye amekusukuma na shilingi 5,000. Asante sana, tupigie Liz makofi mazuri. Kuna mwingine anataka kusema mheshimiwa. Jeshi ya mheshimiwa mundu wothe uyu ni seneta okaga o muthenya na okaga akaruta 20,000. Asante sana seneta. Uyu nake no na akoragwo kuria Gikuyu na chairman kuu shilingi 10,000 kuria wake madisho mwa. Asante sana. Kuna mwingine anasema mheshimiwa.
Thank you very much. I totally appreciate. Na mimi muendelee kutuombea, na mimi nitaendelea kuombea pale naweza. Mungu awabariki na aweke.
Asante. Tuesday ndio tutakuwa na ile memori ya leo ya bishop. Hapa.
Okay. Jioni. Okay.
Asante. Tutakuwa tapanga hiyo.
Sawa.
Safi. Asante. Haya, tuwapigie makofi mazuri. Asante.